We've got breaking news coming in that YSR Congress Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy has arrived at Jantar Mantar. Massive security to keep the anti-Telangana protesters at bay. There are about 7 train loads of protesters, both pro-Telangana and anti-Telangana, who've come down from Andhra Pradesh and have now taken over several parts of the national capital. There you can see some of those images. We in fact will be at Jantar Mantar later on in the afternoon interviewing Jagan Reddy. But the Telangana storm that's hitting Delhi, several of the anti-Telangana MPs being suspended from Parliament. Jagan Reddy leading his troops. He's at Jantar Mantar. My colleague Rishika Barua is there. I want to go across to Rishika. Rishika, describe to our viewers what you're seeing around you. How big is this protest and what exactly does Jagan Reddy and his band intend to do through the day today?
Jantar Mantar since the morning. Jagan Mohan Reddy has just arrived about 5 minutes ago. And if our viewers could just see right now, there are people who have gathered here from really far off places. Rayalaseema, Simandra protesters gathered here. We believe that there were 7 trains that arrived late last night with protesters. They intend to stay here for the next 48 hours. Want to put pressure on the Congress. We also believe that Jagan Mohan Reddy is in fact talking with various people from the third front in order to garner support to stall the Telangana from being tabled. So clearly crowds have been swelling here at Jantar Mantar since the morning, and we're expecting to see more people as Jagan Mohan Reddy plans to sit in protest here through the course of the day.
Also, what's the plan inside Parliament, Rishika? Do you have a sense of what the Simandra MPs who haven't yet been thrown out and suspended, what is it that they intend to do? Do they believe that today is crucial because if they can stall further progress on the Telangana bill, then this could be in abeyance at least till the new government comes in, Rishika?
Well, sources are telling headlines today that they do plan to carry out some kind of moves to in fact sabotage proceedings in Parliament. Do plan to enter into the well and stall parliamentary process. That is what we're hearing. The people we've been talking to over here. I did speak to some people from the BJP this morning who in fact claim that this is a dual tactic of the Congress party, exposes the duality of the Congress. Because what they're in fact trying to do is put through the Telangana bill, try to introduce it into Parliament to please the Telangana supporters, and at the same time play another game on the other side by making their own members of Parliament stall the bill. So the BJP clearly alleging conspiracy over here, but we are likely to see some action in Parliament. We are likely to see MPs try to stall procedures during the budget session and of course further prevent the bill from being introduced.